friends, once again it is Fred Wulff with Remax Corridor here in a investment home. This is a fixer-upper that I'm sitting in, as you can tell behind me. The cabinets are being redone, the walls are being resurfaced, and now is the perfect time to buy a rental home or an investment home because the interest rates are so low. So why do people buy investment homes? Well, for a couple reasons. One, in the market, they tend to appreciate very well and they hold their value. As long as you're buying the right kind of house and you take care of it, it's going to appreciate in value. Talk to anybody that's owned a home for more than 10 years and they'll tell you that the value of those homes go up. If you don't believe me, ask the tax man, because he likes to appreciate the value on your home. So you can get the appreciation by just keeping it and renting it out or having a family member live in it. What about that extra income that a rental house could provide you? As long as you're buying the house at the right amount of money and you can rent it at a higher amount, then you're gonna make money, both in the appreciation and the extra rental value. And as a realtor, I'd be happy to do a comparative market analysis for you and get you set up to buy that house. Another reason that you might want to buy one of these investment homes is, you know what's famous on HGTV and all these shows, right? We're gonna flip it and we're gonna fix it and then we're gonna sell it. So there is some opportunity for that, whether you want to do the work yourself, but just be prepared because some of that work can get pretty extensive. Another option is going to be the flip and keep. Maybe you're coming into an entry-level home and you've got some good skills. Well, you can find some really good deals out there by buying a home that needs some gentle love, fix it up, and then it's yours to keep. And that appreciation value is even much higher. My friends, I want to thank you guys for tuning back in to one of my videos, and I'd love to help you in any way I can. Remember that your home is my mission, and as always, stay safe, be blessed, and most of all, be the reason somebody smiles today, and I will see you soon. If you don't believe me, If you don't believe me, ask